everyone. It's been a while. Before I introduce this video, I just want to apologize for not uploading for, I believe it's been 2 months now. A lot has happened within the last 2 months. So today I felt like picking up the camera and vlogging, and I'm actually gonna do quite a lot today. I'm actually on my way to get my lashes filled, and I have to take my puppy to the vet. I'm going to introduce my puppy to you guys. Yeah, she's going to the vet today to get her stitches taken out. She just got spayed, and she got a hernia surgery. So I'm gonna show you guys the puppy in a little bit, but yeah, right now I'm gonna go get my lashes done, maybe have brunch later, and a couple of errands in between. So yeah, let's go. So this is Mako. She is a Shih Tzu. Shih Tzu is a Shih Tzu and a Poodle mix, and she's 4 months old. So we're actually heading to the vet right now. We just got home, so we're picking her up to get her stitches out and to get her rabies shot. So hopefully once we get all of that done, we can finally take her out for walks, because I've been dying to take her outside. I could tell that she gets really restless just being home all day. No. Hey. Sit. Stay. No, stay. Good girl. Come here. Buckle. No fighting. So we're gonna go right now. Hey guys, so we're finally back home. Mako had her shot and her stitches out. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn off the air filter because it's so loud. So if you guys hear a humming sound, it's the air filter going on. I want to talk to you guys for a little bit before I sign off, just to let you guys know what I've been up to and why I haven't been uploading as much. Since September, I've started working. I finally reopened my nail studio, and so I've been pretty busy with that and taking care of the new puppy. I never realized how hard and challenging it was to take care of a puppy. When we got our first dog, the Yorkie, his name's Oolong, I wasn't there for a long time because I used to work a full-time 9-to-5 job, and he was alone for most of his puppy phase, unfortunately. So now that I'm home more often, she keeps me really busy, and yeah, so I've been busy with that and working on clients. Finally, after like 6-7 months of not working, we're finally allowed to reopen again in California. Nail salons are allowed to reopen. So yeah, and also with cooking and just pretty much being a stay-at-home mom, a puppy mom, a dog mom. So that's been keeping me really busy. And also I haven't made any nail videos because, to be honest, I don't feel very inspired, and I don't know what it is about this year. It's most likely because of the pandemic, but every time I go on my Instagram to find inspiration or to look at what other artists around the world are currently doing or what's trendy, I'm not seeing a lot of trendy designs at the moment. So I feel like a lot of artists all over the world took a huge creative hit because of the pandemic. There were shutdowns everywhere, and yeah, so that's been kind of hard. Coming up with nail video ideas has been really tough lately. So I don't know, I might do something simple, maybe not too like intricate or super artistic in the future. Maybe like a basic nail video. I might do something soon, but yeah, I don't really want to stress out about that. So yeah, I don't really want to worry about that right now. I don't want to put that pressure on myself. But if I make a nail video, it'll most likely be sometime next year. I'm not sure yet because the holidays are coming up and that's going to keep me even more busy. So yeah, I don't want to make any promises. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and thank you guys again for watching and for subscribing and being so patient with my upload time frame, because it's really off right now, and I do apologize for that. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching my videos and being there, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.